My idiot son ate several of my grits this morning and is now in a fantastic mood. He's genuinely acting happier than I've seen him do in days. So I think I know the secret to his heart is grits. And that's tea. That is my tea. I would rather you didn't drink my tea, but I don't think it will hurt you if you do. But you have to get to the top first. You're such a weird creature. Oh. Or are you just wiping your beak on my cup? That's what you're doing. Oh, thanks, Maui. I didn't want to drink the rest of that anyway. Oh, God. That is my spoon. This fucking weirdo. Look at this fucking jackass. Oh, you boy. Thank you, pal. You having fun? Are you having fun? Oh, please get off. Okay, thank you. Oh, hello. How are you? Oh, I see you're using my leg as a napkin. I guess that's better. Oh, you boy. Oh, you baby. Oh, you boy, you boy, you boy. Oh, yep, you can eat that, I guess. Hi.